Hello you beautiful people, I hope you are well and I hope you're fantastic, and welcome to another episode of Two Wheels and a Drone. And today I've brought you to beautiful Loch Lomond. Obviously it's not the first time we've been to Loch Lomond this year, and again, thank you traffic. But yeah, as I said, we are not here to stop at Loch Lomond once again. We are on our way through. We're passing through. We're on our way to another loch though. And rather than sit on the boring motorway, I figured why not take this beautiful road. And we are on our way to Loch Lomond for today's trip. So, let's have a couple of minutes just to soak up the sunshine because we're almost rolling into autumn. So I'm just gonna chill here, take it in, enjoy it, and I'll see you in a few. You know, sometimes on these journeys I feel like I rush around quite a lot to try and get all the sort of filming done and the droning done that I want to get done. And I kind of feel like sometimes I rush my journeys just a bit too much. So today, I don't have that far to travel today, so it's the sound of that gorgeous bike in the background. God. I just thought I'd take things a little bit slower pace today, enjoy the weather, enjoy the road, and let's have a little leisurely trip together. Anyway, hopefully you can still hear that. It sounds absolutely amazing. And as we sit here with our standard exhaust, anyway, it's time for another Two Wheels and a Drone. And what does that mean, ladies and gents? Ah, yes! Liquid's on the road again! Let us go for another journey! Haha! I really should bring sunglasses with me when I do these videos because I always end up squinting because of the sun. Welcome to beautiful Loch Lomond then, and an absolutely gorgeous ride getting here, which I hope you've enjoyed. And it's time to look at Loch Lomond from a different perspective from the drone. So let's take a look from the sky. Looks like we found the spot. Well, there you go, Loch Lomond. What an absolutely gorgeous day. Sorry. It's all the sunshine, because I never say this very often in videos. We don't get the sunshine like this in Scotland. Anyway, yeah, there you go. That is Loch Lomond with the drone, the bike, and that is our episode wrapped up. As always, I really hope you've enjoyed this one, and thank you so much for watching. And until next time, as always, do take care and stay safe. I'll catch you in the next one, but until then, this is Liquid signing off. I really should bring sunglasses when I start doing these videos, because this is a few... 2 seconds. This is a Loch Lomond Liquid signing off. Yeah, didn't make a mess of that one, did I? Ah.